As the world is droning rapidly in a competitive dimensions, one without education would be left behind with nothing. Hence, paying a hit into this fake, tea workers of Methoni Tea Company bartered with the government for the constructions of school for children at Methoni. As per the assurance by the government, the works for the constructions of school building was prepared. But the constructions of school building was suspended as the manager of Methoni Tea Company denied the approval of NOC for the constructions of the school building. Hence, on 6th of January, tea workers launched an agitation with reference to this matter. Protesters informed that in today's time, education is a key to the world and at instance. Tea tribes were also desired to gain education and move forward. But the manager of Methoni Tea Company did not grant the NOC for the constructions of school building, yet hence they were compelled to stage a protest against it.
ইয়াত যদি মেনেজাৰ যদি এনওসিটো দিয়া নাই তা ইয়াতো স্কুলটো হ'ব নাপাৰে তো হেতু হ'ব কাৰণে আজি আমি ষ্ট্ৰাইক কৰি আছো হেতু হ'ব কাৰণে আমি হেতু ইমান ধূপত খৰা হৈ ভুখাত ৰাতিপুৱা 8 বাজি লৈ আমি ইয়াত আছো তাৰ পিছত মেনেজাৰটো পলাই গৈছে নে ক'ত গৈছে আমি গম পোৱা নাই হেতু কাৰণে হেতু মেনেজাৰ থাকিলে আমি ইয়াত আপগ্ৰেড হ'ব নাপাৰে
Workers of Methoni Tea Company also informed that as long as their demands were not fulfilled, they won't resume back to their regular works.
साहब जी करो ये सजा दी छी ओटा हमरा ना जाने हमरा के माटी लगा हमर छना पुना भविष्य पर करना हमरा पढ़ा लिखा नहीं करली हमर छना पुना के ज्ञान दीवार करना हमरा माटी खुची माटी लगा
It was informed that NOC for the constructions of school building under Methoni Tea Company had been demanding since the past many days. But Mukuraj Singh, manager, and Amjad Khan, assistant manager of the company, did not wish to pay any heed towards our demand. Therefore, if the owners of Dolamara Tea Estates do not grant the NOC for the constructions of the school building, no tea workers would be working at the tea garden and the agitations would continue.
পুলি আছিলে সেইটো এতিয়া মানে ভ্যাকেন্সি এৰিয়া হৈ আছে মানে একো নাই তাৰ কাগজ নুঠে সেই এৰিয়াটো যদি আমাক স্কুলখনে আমি বহাবলৈ বিচাৰিছোঁ কিন্তু সেই এৰিয়াত আমি কাগজ নুঠিব কিন্তু এই কাগজ নুঠাতকৈ আমি এৰিয়াটো বিচাৰিছোঁ খালী জেগাই বিচাৰিছোঁ আমি কাগজ উঠাই বা
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.